name is Jonathan Massey, and I got started in this because my wife hired me to do this. We've been breaking bread for about 4 or 5 years, and my wife had this wonderful recipe for banana bread, and she would bake it for neighbors and friends, and I said, honey, let's bake for the masses. Let's just take it to the streets. And so a few months later, we had a tent and a cart, and we went around the local markets and we sold our bread.
Today we went to, what's it, the Okie Dokie truck. They saw noodles, a bunch of noodles, and what they had, dumpling hot stickers, dumplings, stuff like that. I try a new one every single week just to get something different. They're all really good.